This chart has a couple of things that I like. I'm gonna keep it on watch. I'm gonna just share my ideas with you guys real quick. If you pull this chart, there's a 2-year chart. Back here we had a couple of different levels of support, and we're hovering around this area. Same areas of support. We have a Harami candlestick formation, which signifies that the trend might be reversing and the momentum is shifting. So if the momentum shifts to the upside, we might be able to have a nice pocket. From here, this candle as of right now, where we're sitting on the 50, we have a window of about $3.70. We're sitting on the 22.42 right now and 23.65 on the 100. I'm gonna pull back the chart. If you see here, we were hovering around the same areas right now. And one of the reasons that I see on this stock is that if you look at the low of this candle here, we had a 1903 on this candle, and then 1903 low on this candle too. If you notice these areas, what we can see here is that when the stocks gets to areas of support, it usually rolls over to the upside. Right here, we can see it tapping the 50 for resistance, pulling back and hitting again a level of support, 1903, to roll over again, tap the 50, had a micro pullback here, but the 50 was able to hold for support, and we see a run up all the way to the 100 when we see a inverted hammer here. A little bit of sideways consolidation here, and as you notice here again, the 50, 100 were support. We have a crossover on the Bollinger Bands, push up again, but I like the fact that we are close to these areas of support, and we have a candlestick formation, Harami candlesticks formations that look very interesting.